de la Cruz, Daycare Child of the Year, most cooperative, most polite. Jasser Jane G. Kazing, most outstanding, most honest, most cooperative. Eunice C. De Leon, most outstanding, most active. Jariel E. Dose, most outstanding, most obedient. Anika Paula S. Beseo, outstanding, most obedient. Shiloh M. Morris, outstanding, most behaved. Shane Lorraine M. Morris, outstanding, most behaved. John Denver T. Anzano, best in drawing, most active. Sashley B. Sularte, best in drawing, most polite. Hezekiah Alexis Aquino, best in drawing, most industrious. Samantha E. Eligarco, best in writing, most industrious. Venice Eloisa M. Pan, best in writing, most polite. Princess Rhea L. Sulde, best in writing, most punctual. Denise Angela O. Castellano, most polite. Danica M. Cose, most active. Angelica C. Dalanon.